this machine, this one is speed control, this one is speed control, and this one is motor on, this one motor off, this one on for this one. So I tap this one on, this one stop, this one off, this one running, this one no run. So this one is inch for the machine, and this one is the keep the paper. You set about 50 pieces, you keep one time, you can set in here. Set this one 50 pieces, you can set 60 pieces or 40 pieces, you can set in here. This one it keep the how many seconds? This one 0.8 seconds. This one go out for 0.8 seconds. You can set it here. This one will be fine. No need to change this one. This one we set 5 pieces. We set. We set. It be fine. 0. So this one is the sensor for the how many pieces. Use this one to check it. Check how many pieces for the paper.